Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a remedy that's going to get you a glowing face with just one use. Ingredients that you will need for this glowing remedy are an orange and papaya chunks. How to make this remedy? Start by washing, peeling, and squeezing the juice out of one orange. Wash and cut your papaya into smaller chunks and mash them to make a fine paste. In a clean bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of orange juice and 1 tablespoon of papaya paste, then mix until well combined. Wash your face with a mild cleanser. Avoid using bar soaps on your face as they can dry your face. Pat dry your face and apply this remedy, then let it sit for 20 minutes and rinse off with cold water. Follow up with a serum and a heavy moisturizer. Don't forget to wear sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from sun damage. It is safe to use this remedy twice a week and always make a new batch. Before using any home remedy, it is best to do a patch test on a small area of your skin and let it sit for 2 hours to make sure it won't irritate your skin. What makes this remedy so effective at making your skin glow is because oranges are packed with vitamin C, which is going to increase collagen production on your skin, which in turn will result in a smooth, glowing, radiant, and wrinkle-free skin. Papaya is loaded with vitamins A, B, and C, which are both great at making your skin healthy and glowing. Papaya is also very good at getting rid of dark spots, acne marks, pigmentation, and controlling sebum production on your face. If you want an even more glowing skin, then consider doing these things. Get 7 to 9 hours of very good quality sleep every single day. Drink 8 or more glasses of water every day to make sure you're well hydrated. This is something I do because I struggle drinking 8 glasses of water a day, so I add in citrus fruits or chia seeds into my water. Try to exercise at least 20 minutes daily. Make sure you eat a well-balanced diet each day. Avoid sugar for some time and dairy products. Your skin will thank you for this. If you pay attention to your skin, it will reward you with a visibly healthy, glowing skin. I hope you found value in today's video and you will start using this glowing remedy on your face. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos that are coming. Give today's video a big thumbs up and share it with your friend so we can all rock glowing skin. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it.